Thanks for joining us. This is the latest at this hour with me, Lillian Muli. Well, stakeholders in alcohol manufacturing and trade of alcohol have opposed proposals to increase excise rates in alcohol as contained in the Finance Bill 2024 on grounds that it will lead to the increase in illicit alcohol trade and consumption of illicit brews in the country. While submitting their views before the National Assembly Finance and Planning Committee, the Alcohol and Beverages Association of Kenya also wanted the taxes on raw materials reviewed to lower the cost of production and to give Kenya a competitive advantage over its neighboring countries.
In a state whereby, as a country, 59% of what is sold in Kenya is illicit. So 41%, ABAK members are only playing in the 41% share of the pie. So 250 ml is what the local mwananchi would relate to. Now, with the 250 ml, its average price is about 290. And in terms of costs, excise, we currently pay at about 89. If the proposal to have 80% excise tax increase is added onto it, which is a proposal to change to 16 per CL, sadly, this cost will go above 400 shillings. A cost that will be way higher compared to what Tanzania will cost, compared to also the landed cost of also Ugandan spirits. So if you are having a product at 400 shillings, what does it mean for our country? You would find that there will be cross-border illicit trade and increase because there will be always that temptation of somebody will buy. It's 152 on the other side. Also supporting local farmers, what happens to it? So there is such huge impact on it.
I have two companies producing in total 70 million metric tons of glass every year. The demand for the country is around 110 million metric tons. So that for that deficit, obviously, as manufacturers, we have to import. The third bit is you will also find the same glass manufacturers are also importing. So we are wondering exactly who is being protected, because they are also importing to supplement. And we challenge the committee to also interrogate this using KRA data, because they're importing and paying the 35% to supplement a supply that is not in Kenya. I think we need, as a country, to decide whether we want to facilitate manufacturers by lowering costs, or we are